everything on the truck for the install. So thank you, Andy, so much.
All right, what's up, guys? So we got the truck strapped down. Everything is set. It's warmed up. So I'm gonna do a first pull and see how it does, and we'll go from here. So let's go. Okay, so the first pull we did, 681 horsepower, 633 foot-pounds of torque, so that's perfect. I'm going to go for some more. I think there's more in it, and I'm not afraid to break my own truck, so let's do it. Okay, so we finished our third pull, and we're at 690 horsepower and 660 foot-pounds of torque. So I'm going to lower torque a little bit, but power is right in line. So we are going to make some changes, and we'll get right back with you guys.
Hey guys, Marla here. So really quick in between runs, I don't know if you remember, we had Glenn's truck here about 3 months ago, and he has the AMS downpipes and the SPD trombone, and that thing sounded wicked cool. So Glenn, thank you for the inspiration. This setup is inspired because of you, and the sound that you hear is because of you. Thanks.
So I actually lowered torque a little bit, but I kept the torque curve flat. So we're making 690, 656 foot-pounds of torque. So that's gonna be okay. I wanna see if I can get over 700 though. We're right there. Charger temps are a little high today because it's hot, but we're gonna keep on trying. Okay guys, so we're flashing this last map. So I ended up making 696 horsepower like 5 times. So I don't think it's gonna hit 700. And I'm not gonna be that greedy to make 4 horsepower more. So it's consistent, and that's exactly what we want. So I'm gonna leave it here. I'm going to have some fun with it tonight and for the next week or so. And then when Cody gets back, we're gonna get the truck over to Cody in Phoenix, or in Arizona. Prescott, I think is where it's at. So yeah, we'll leave it here. I'll throw up the dyno charts, but this is, again, it's making the consistent power that it always makes and what I always advertise. So this is a little bit more power because it's my truck and I'm being a little bit more aggressive. And so I'm going to be the one to break my truck, and I'll be the one to let you guys know the outcome if it happens. So hopefully it doesn't happen, but if it does, we know the limits and we'll pass that information on. So thanks for watching, guys. We're going to get over to our wrap guy now, and we're gonna get some custom wrap made. Like, I want you guys to check some of this stuff out. It's pretty cool. All right, so we're out here on the road now, doing some testing. This truck feels good with the transmission tune. You don't really notice the turbo lag on a single gear pull on the dyno. You're gonna see it graphically, but you don't really notice it on the road because the transmission picks the right gear. And then of course when you punch it, it'll downshift 2 or 3 gears if it needs to. But it feels good, it's responsive. So I'm gonna get out on the road over here on a closed road that we've closed for testing purposes and do some testing. I'm sure you guys can hear the trombone exhaust from SPD. I put that on as well because I wanted it a little bit louder. The response is insane. So this GT750 kit is something that I always tout that works, because it does, and the results are there. I just tuned Alan. He's a 2020 F-150 3.5 high output. And he's got the kit as well. He just made 641, 599 foot-pounds of torque. This was just a couple hours ago. So the kit works. It's responsive. It completely transforms the truck. There's another set of turbos that CRP has made, and it's a replacement wheel for this turbo. There's been a lot of fast F-150s that have run that same setup. So I may throw that on this and see if we can eke out another 100 horsepower. I don't know. This is an off-road truck, so I'm not sure that's going to be a good idea. But I guess we can always run it at a really, really low boost. Right now, this truck is making about 25 PSI. So it's not all of it. It's not everything, but it'll be a good off-road, stable, flat torque curve, you know, something predictable that we can play around with. All right, guys, so we are about to add some final touches to the outside. You see I put the Goosetuned up top there. This is still blue, so we're getting that taken care of in something special. And we're gonna add some logos and whatever back here, but we'll be back probably in a couple hours. So I told you we had something special. So let's start off with Gabe at Brand Jelly. So as we just showed, we had the Goosetuned collage made in this nice vinyl. So Tim over at TNT was able to get this installed on the door handles that were blue and install the antenna up top and the back tailgate. So it looks pretty sick. So I want to give a big shout out to Gabe. He got this made for me very quick. I think I got it like in 4 days. It's fast. So thanks, dude. I appreciate it. Brand Jelly. Now the next thing, you guys haven't seen this before. Hold on. Before we show them. So you guys know we've been doing all the carbon stuff and everything's all carbon under here. Except for one thing, if you notice. This. So, with that being said, Cobb, once again, has come through. Check this out, guys. What's one piece? It's gonna go here. So I know we just got done installing this aluminum one, but we're gonna pull that out and we're gonna get this one installed. And that's gonna pretty much complete our carbon up underneath the hood. I think that's everything we can do at this moment in time. So it's just, I don't even know what to say. These guys, they're awesome. Looks amazing. So we're gonna get this installed and we'll be right back. So you guys remember, last year we did this on Marley's 2019. And we got another one. This is the unreleased AOS that is soon to be released. So you can see now there's all the quick fittings here. Everything is quick fitting here. Even mounts further away from the dipstick down there that you guys can see. So this is gonna be released here on my site probably within the next month or so. So you guys be on the lookout for that. But yeah, it's super nice. Black, I like black. They make different colors. Red, I think, is another option. But yeah, everything's all quick release now, so it's super easy to install. Thanks, guys. And thank you, guys at IAG, Rick, Fred, Pat, all you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Cobb, you guys are wild for this one. Check this out. Insane. There's that Cobb carbon quality. Look at this. Incredible. Thank you, guys. Good Lord. So nice. Man, this truck is so ridiculous. Oh! This trombone exhaust is a lot louder too. But man, it's just so much power for off-road. It's insane. Oh, hold on. Oh, hold on. That's a big one. Yeah, it's a ton of power. I'm probably going to turn this down because almost 700 horsepower is too much for this kind of stuff. I'll probably turn it down to 600 and see how that works.
I think I've got rash on my seatbelt.
Oh,
Trying
man.
to hold on.
Oh, that was tough. Cody, we need you. Man, that's fun though. This thing is fast. We're seeing 24 pounds of boost. That's, yeah, it's, I'm gonna have to turn it down for sure. It's too much power, but it sure is fun. All right, we got another surprise for you guys. We're gonna head home and we're gonna do something else. We're gonna put something else on, so we'll see you back. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to install the wheels and tires. So I decided to put the truck up on the lift. It's gonna make it easier. We're gonna get that done, and then I wanted to mention too, so my buddy Ben from Hoonigan, who, he's not there anymore, but we went to visit him a few months ago, and he gave me these lug nuts. So these are kind of special, so I figured why not use them on this build. So we're gonna put these on the truck with the wheels and tires, and that's all we're gonna do here. So this shouldn't take too long, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and we'll move it out. You guys can check it out. All right, so you can see this tire's a lot bigger than the stock setup. Now this is a big old Bigfoot tire. This is the aftermarket setup. One thing I'm gonna do before I put it on is I wanna weigh it and see how much more or less it weighs. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. Weighs 96.5 pounds. Sure feels less. It's not. So it's about 5 pounds more. That's not too bad, considering we're jumping up to 37. So we're gonna go ahead and get these tires on now, and see you guys in a little bit. Oh man, you guys, this looks so good.